Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a little about the Elegoo printer. I have been printing these and I have been printing them standing, not laying, not sliced or anything split, or they are printed standing. And the printer have made it really nice. The surface is, I mean, not even with your nails you can feel the layers. Really nice. It makes the supports really nice as well. I've just started cleaning some supports from this one. But even up here it managed to make support without an issue. They made a support even for this edge up here, as you can see. So far with the supports it's gone quite good. It does, I mean, it's not 100% with the support, but it's more than good enough, so to speak. It's good enough without having any kind of issue, as you can see here. Here it have no clue what it says done, but the support is all the way, and that's the main part. And it just finished printing this piece. And printing time on this piece down here that I will show you is 69 hours 29 minutes. It used 431 meter of thread. So it's nice to have the 5 kilo roll. And it's working perfectly. It's really working really nice. And this piece, as you can see, it's quite large. Fitting quite good. And all of this is support, because it's a huge gap here. So when I'm done with this piece, removing all the support here, it will look like this piece here with a gap, like a hole. So I mean, yes, of course, all of this support is waste material. But I either do it like this, or I have to print them like I showed before, laying. And if I put it laying, I need to fill the entire with support, or I split them like I have done with these. But it's, I mean, it's not good. This is much better. I'm super happy that this printer can print them standing like this without an issue. Like I said, almost 70 hours, and it's really good. There is no mistake, nothing. It hasn't missed anywhere. So it's looking really good, really nice. And all of this also is printed 6 layers, top, bottom, all the side. So 6 layers and 6 layers, and then we have the infill. So yeah, when it comes to the Elegoo printer, all I can say is a huge thumbs up for it. It's amazing. It's super good. So yeah, now it's time to start piece number 3 on the printer, and we just keep going. So see you around, everyone. Bye bye.